The Forest Department has successfully conducted an operation seizing 120 cubic feet of illegally stored timber from a private residence in the Khowai subdivision. The raid took place on Thursday at Khamartila, an area under the Laxminarayanpur Panchayat of Kalyanpur police station. Acting on a team of forest personnel led by Divisional Forest Officer Ashok Kumar conducted a sudden raid on a house in Khamartila. During the operation, the team discovered a significant cache of illegally stored or stolen wood. The quantity seized is 120 cubic feet that has a market value of approximately ₹2 lakh. The seized timber has been transported to the Forest Department's Padmabil Range Office. Sources within the department indicate that legal action will be initiated regarding the illegal storage and possession of the forest resources.
एक इन्फॉर्मेशन के बेसिस पे खोवाई डिस्ट्रिक्ट ने दोनों सब डिवीज़न के सारे स्टाफ मिलके एक जॉइंट ऑपरेशन किया है खमरटीला में। वहाँ से अराउंड 6 क्यूबिक मीटर के आसपास टिम्बर मिली है। अभी वेरिफिकेशन अंडर प्रोसेस है। वो किनके 2 घर थे जिनमें घर में कोई नहीं मिला है, तो वो कौन है कौन नहीं है वो इन्वेस्टिगेशन जारी है और उसके बाद में सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे।
The Forest Department is expected to launch a formal investigation to determine the origin of the timber and identify the individuals involved in its illegal storage. Reported by Biplov from Khowai, Chini, Khorang.